Hello everybody, it's Totvs from New Edbox, and welcome guys to your 23rd HTML5 tutorial. Now guys, for those of you who follow my tutorials, you know that I'm step by step introducing you to useful and practically useful tags in HTML5 and how to use them and where you can apply them. Okay guys, now during this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to use a few very useful tags in HTML5 for text formatting and for table formatting. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and build something useful. Now the first tag guys that I want to introduce you to is the small tag. Now what the small tag does guys, small tag defines a smaller text like that you want to be displayed on your website. So say guys you have something like well, site annotation or any smaller message that you want to deliver to your visitor, to the visitor of your website. This can be done easily by using small tag. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and build something, write something on the screen. The ultimate resource. Yes, I got stuck there a little bit. The ultimate resource for free video tutorials. And now let's close the paragraph and let's enter some text. Created 2011 December. All rights reserved. Okay, let's make it look serious. Okay guys, now let's go ahead and run this bit of a code on the site. You can see that I still have some preps from the last video. Okay guys, so there you go. You see that the main information and main text is delivered as the paragraph, and the annotation that you want to be in smaller text is delivered below with some typos, as you can see on your screen. But I'm not gonna change it, since I guess you're getting the point. Okay guys, so now the next thing that I want to teach you during this tutorial guys is the so-called select tag. Now guys, I've introduced you to select tag a little bit earlier on, but still I want to emphasize a few options. That select tag is used to create a drop-down list if you want to have an option list on your website. And one more tag that I'm going to introduce you to is the option tag. I've talked about the option tag in my previous tutorials, but still, since I'm introducing you gradually in alphabetical order to the new tags, that's what I'm going to do during this tutorial as well. So let's go ahead guys and build a very simple drop-down list, let's say with one of the most beloved food items, and that is fruits. Okay, so let's go ahead and build it. Let's say an apple, option 1. Let's go ahead and have the option there, option, and let's go ahead and copy the entire row guys and paste it a few times. So let's say we want to have a drop-down list with 5 options. So let's go ahead and change the pears here, let it be the peaches. I'm just copying the text here. Then what else? Banana. Okay, it's not alphabetical order, but still guys, it's a quick production, so you can see, and oranges, quick production, so you can see everything live. Okay guys, let's go ahead and I've just saved the file, and let's go ahead and run it on our screen and see what result do we get. There you go guys. Let's put a couple of line breaks there, so we would have better separation. There we go. Okay guys, so now as you can see we have a simple drop-down list with 5 options, and it's pretty convenient to use for everyday website building techniques. Okay guys, I hope you learned it, I hope you enjoyed. Let's go ahead and learn something else during this tutorial. Now guys, one more thing that I want to introduce you to during this tutorial is let me just copy the line breaks. Okay, is one more tag that is used to build well, it is used in a few ways. I'm talking about the tag span. The span, S-P-A-N, it stands for span. Basically, the span tag is used to group inline elements in a document. That's the official definition of the span tag. But once again, it does not provide any visual changes by itself. It only delivers, let's say, changes of style or changes of some group of elements on the website. I know that this might sound a little bit difficult, but guys, let's go ahead and once again build something useful, so you would see where the span tag is useful and where is it used. So guys, say you want to build, you're writing a simple sentence, yeah? Say I have a green car, and to emphasize the greeniness of your car, guys, you can enter simple span tag and tell your browser that you are going to use a and tell your browser that you're going to use the color to define well, change of the color of your text that you've entered on your screen. So guys, that's the way it should be done. That you would embed the text in between the span tags, and then again enter the attributes that you want your text to be affected by. So you would enter style and then the color green, and that would affect your green car, those 2 words. So let's go ahead and run it on the screen and see what we get. There it goes, and guys, you can see that the sentence is printed regularly, and the 2 words green car are printed out in green. So that's basic say use of span tag. Now guys, one more thing where the span tag is used. The span tag is basically used also to say you're building a table and you would want your header to span over, let's say, 3 columns of the table. So by entering the span tag, you would tell your browser that you want your header to span over 3 columns of the entire table. But I'm not gonna get into this example, since I've shown you this a little bit before in my previous tutorials, and I've went through this subject. So let's go ahead and leave it for the moment, and I will come back to this subject a little bit later on to show you how to span the headers of the table. Okay guys, I can see that I'm almost at the 10-minute mark, and I don't want to make these tutorials over for more than 10 minutes. And I hope you learned the subjects, guys, that I wanted to present to you today. I hope you will find a place where to use it, and you'll find them useful. So thanks for sticking with me for this very short tutorial, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like the video, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.